In your Mini, you can enjoy music through several audio sources. Guess what? Radio is one of them. Just press the volume button and select radio by pressing Media/Radio. Then select FM. Boom! Your last selected station starts to play. A plus sign in the star symbol shows that the station is not saved. To do so, press the star and select a slot. Go to Media/Radio, Saved Stations. Here's your personalized list, also saved in your driver profile. Got a preferred radio station? Make it your favorite. Press and hold the desired favorites button until a signal sounds. That's it. Let's get loud. Twist to control the volume, or use the buttons on the steering wheel. Change the radio stations with the buttons on the radio, or press the ones on the steering wheel. Confirm with OK. Done. Want more? Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.